Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, so ignore this and that. That's my prom dish right there. Prom is this weekend, meaning Friday coming up. So I got a bunch of stuff for Prom Spirit Week. If you guys don't know what Prom Spirit Week is, it's a week where you dress up different themes at the school and school council and things like that. Makeup. So we do it for homecoming as well, every year. This is my last time being able to dress up with my school for prom week, prom senior week, or just prom spirit week. It's prom spirit week. So Monday is Hawaiian day, but we've all decided to do meme day instead. So I'm doing meme day. My costume is going to be Kermit the Frog. That's one of my business meme. So I'm very excited. Tuesday is Disney day, which I'm going to be Mike Wazowski, and my best friend Rachel's going to be Sully. James Sullivan. And Wednesday is Senior Citizen Day, which I am not participating in just because it's a lot of work to get like curlers and a little dress. Like my mom doesn't have like a little gown thingy that she calls her a moo-moo, and I'm not wearing that because that's embarrassing. So I'm not participating in that day. But Thursday is Throwback Day, and I'm dressing from the 80s, so I'm very excited about that one because I can wear bright colors and not everyone be like, what? This is not, bright colors is not in your vocabulary. Because last year, I don't know why I just started. Last year, my wardrobe consisted of all black. This year, I actually don't have many black clothes besides yoga pants and jeans and a couple sweatshirts. So I've been wearing a lot more colors this year, which I'm very proud. And then Friday is Prom Spirit Week, or Prom Spirit Day, or Spirit Day. That's where we either wear Langham stuff or things like that. Our prom theme is a night in New Orleans. I think I told you guys about that. I'm not sure if I uploaded that vlog or not, but it's a night in New Orleans, so it's very gold and black. So I might just wear my Langham hoodie or a black shirt with some gold face paint or something on my face, maybe, I don't know yet, some gold, maybe red and black face paint like I did for homecoming week, which you guys did see my vlogs from homecoming week. I did upload vlogs then. You guys can go check it out, but I'm gonna do a haul of stuff that I got and for what day it is. So we're gonna start with tomorrow, since tomorrow is the first day, which is meme day, and my dimple decided to make a show. He's not very big, but he's getting there. So I have a green shirt. Obviously my camera is a little foggy, so let me clean that really quickly. I don't know if that made much of a difference, but we'll be fine. I don't know why I'm stuttering. Okay, so I got this green shirt, obviously, because Kermit is a frog and frogs are green. So I have this shirt. This is a 2XL. It's really big. I got it from the beauty supply, and it was $8.99, which, a little tip, go to a thrift store, because I was right next to a Goodwill, but the door for Goodwill and the door for the beauty supply are very far apart. So I was like, I'm not about to walk down there. But it's huge, but I'll tell you why I got it so big in a second. So I also got blue felt, which is for Tuesday, and I got green, white, and black felt from the dollar store, and this stuff was about $1 a piece, for the eyes of Kermit the Frog, and also for his little spiky thing around his neck. Got the green. Yeah, there you go. And then I also got headbands, because I'm gonna put the eyes on headbands and wear it up here. So I got that. Again, this was about $1. I just looked in the mirror, so ignore that. These are about $1. I spent a total of $5.90 at the dollar store. So I got the blue felt because since Tuesday is Disney Day and I'm doing Mike Wazowski, his little rim of his eye is blue. So therefore I got that, and I'm using the same shirt because Mike Wazowski. I'm gonna make the big eye and put it on the front of the shirt. And yeah, that's about it. And then I'm gonna find a blue hat and then put the MU on there. Maybe there was one of the beauty supply, but it was like $5, and I was not about to buy that. So I have hats, they're just not blue. Okay, and then 80s Day is on Thursday. Again, I'm gonna wear this green shirt, cut the neckline off of it so it's off the shoulder, make it a little bit of a crop top because it's really long, have like maybe a red sports bra or something on underneath, like colorful. I have scrunchies, I have orange and red, I have beads, I have zebra print beads, this gold and black one and a silver one. My sister-in-law actually gave me these, so I was very happy. And I also got some of these headbands, not the sweatbands that everyone usually has, because I don't like the texture of sweatbands, so I got headbands instead, and they're very bright and funky. And I'm also going to wear black jeans, and I'm going to wear some socks that I'm going to cut to make them look like leg warmers, because I don't wear them. They're actually right there. I'm going to grab them. So these are socks that I'm going to actually use. I'm going to cut the foot part off because these are really thick socks, so I don't wear them. They're very uncomfortable because they're itchy. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this part off and wear them as leg warmers, and that's my outfit for 80s Day. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Very small, very short, I know. I am going to make a video of me making everything, so I'm going to actually wash the shirt and wash laundry because I need to do laundry. Today's Sunday. I have school tomorrow and I don't have any clean clothes. Well, I have clean clothes, but they're clothes that I don't wear. So I'm going to wash a bunch of clothes. What is this? It's a t-shirt. Yay. And then I will make the eyes and stuff while my shirt is in the washer. And I'm very excited. I'll leave a link down below to what video I'm going to use to make this stuff. So feel free to make it yourself. It's very easy. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. My social media is down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is making all of this stuff, which is going to be a week-long vlog.